You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing names too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say this? Well, if it refers to a type of bread, a large rustic loaf of bread, then this is a word from French, and it's said as miche, miche. So that's not miche, but rather miche, or miche. You could say miche bread, right, in English. Now, if you want to know how this is pronounced, if that refers to the company name, there is a brand of bicycles from Italy, and that would be said Miche is how the Italians would say it. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.